What's going on, YouTube? This is Dirt Bike Boy 968. Going to be doing my first dip video. This is actually my first video at all. I'm going to be doing a little bit of dip reviews and whatnot. You know, let me go get my dip. Alright, basically today I ran out of dip, so I had to run down to the store and get some dip today. I got some Grizzly Straight. It's okay, I'm not a fan of straight, but, you know, got my favorite, what I started chewing was Grizzly Wintergreen. I don't know if you can see it, but it's Grizzly Wintergreen. Got 5 tins of this, one of the straight. Got some Skullberry Blend. This stuff's pretty good. Some Skull Peach. My buddy, one of my hunting buddies, this is what he turned me on to this year. And then we got the cheap shit, you know, the shit that I mix if I got something I don't particularly care for, that I'll mix in the cheap shit with to make it taste a little better. Which is the Longhorn Mint and Longhorn Wintergreen. I only chew that really when I don't have a lot of money. So that's pretty much what I chew when I don't have a lot of money. This and Timberwolf, but I usually try to get the Grizzly. Grizzly's probably the best shit you can buy. But let me get a dip in. I think I'm gonna do me some I'm gonna do some Skull Peach. Got to pack it real good. Got a good pack there. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. You probably can't see that real good, but hold on. There. Got a good pack going on there. So I'm gonna be a good lip going. Nice pinch right there. Got my spitter right here, just water bottle. Well, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My real name's Keith, and live in New York. I live in probably one of the most country parts of New York. But pretty much all we do here year round is hunt and fish. And when we're not doing that, we're riding dirt bikes and 4-wheelers through the mountains. I'm 15. Started dipping when I was 13. First time I ever dipped was I was in welding class, and one of the kids, Alex, I know, he had some Grizzly Wintergreen and just did a dip and gave me 10, and I did a dip there in school. And my teacher, Mr. Oyer, he didn't give 2 shits because he was a year away from retirement, so he didn't really care. But hold on. Sorry, I had to get some music going. Anyway, Mr. Oyer, he didn't care that we dipped. He knew we did it all. But on to the dip reviews. I'll start with my favorite, Grizzly Wintergreen. right here. Probably the best stuff for your money. Down here where I live, up here, I mean, 14, 15 bucks a log. So that's what I got today. I bought a log, and for the money, can't beat it. What the fuck is this shit? What the fuck? Get some back and go a bit more. Yeah, some hell on wheels, but Grizzly for the money is the best shit you can buy. It's not real fine cut like some of the other shit. Next we got the Skullberry blend. I mean, if you got the money, it's good, but I can't always afford it. And I mean, it's good change. It gives you a little bit of flavor. And then Skull Peach, same thing. You know, it's good. Not my favorite, but Grizzly Straight. I can't stand really straight, but I do it. But it's good because it's Grizzly. And then you got your Longhorn. Like I said, this it's okay if you run out of money, but we actually did the 5-10 challenge with this in the wintergreen. Next, I want to talk about stuff I don't have here with me. Copenhagen. Copenhagen's really what I first started chewing. This is what I did a lot. But I usually do the wintergreen. I'll do the straight sometimes, but that's about all. What else have I done? Redman. Oh, that shit's nasty. It's real nasty, but yeah, I don't really know what you're supposed to do in these videos, but you know, yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be getting more videos up. Hopefully I'll be getting some hunting videos up soon too. But that's about all I got for right now. I'll try to get one of the 5-10 challenge things up. One of the videos up. A little more about me. My big passion is duck hunting. Avid waterfowl hunter. You know, I love that feeling of getting up at 2:30 in the morning, driving half hour to an hour, and by 4 o'clock you're going across the water doing 75 miles an hour, setting out decoys in freezing cold, you know, 10 degrees out. That's what I love. I do deer hunt, but not a lot. Like I like to say, if it was easy, we'd all be deer hunters. Or pheasant hunters. You can get up whenever the fuck you want to pheasant and grouse hunt. But duck season's closed now. So, we'll be doing some crow hunting and coyote hunting. A little rabbit hunting here and there. I mean, the guys will. Martin Luther King Monday. We're gonna be doing that. Happy Nig Day. But that wasn't meant to offend no one. Sorry. Yeah, I'm probably one of the most redneck kids in my school, so. But, yeah, subscribe to my channel, comment, leave suggestions and whatnot. Thanks for watching.